But this is I think my number 4, Philip, and it's cloud repatriation. So just like we saw on the other side here on the downs, cloud costs are spiraling out of control. Something that I love seeing. I think every time a company does cloud repatriation and Angel gets their wings, this is going to be a thing. This is a thing that's currently happening. And I mentioned Geico earlier. They were spending something like $300 million a year on 8 or 10 different cloud service providers. They repatriated from the cloud, right? They decided, hey, we can't make these bills make sense, and we're not going to. So we're gonna move back to on-prem and solve this problem ourselves, right? And what
That's
you can
interesting.
see.
Because I heard like a couple of months ago, I heard DHH talking about this, about how I think the whole 37 Signals company, 37, I don't remember the number, but their company pretty much like moved away from the cloud to their own servers that they physically have.
Yeah.
And it sounded like crazy talk at that point, but it seems like this is where the industry is now moving. I'm honestly, I'm like not wasn't aware of this.
Yeah. So it's not necessarily that it's a full-fledged, movement where, hey, cloud repatriation, hashtag 2025, that sort of thing. But it definitely is a thing, right? Where I think the ballooning costs of the cloud, vendor lock-in for, AWS, like, et cetera, right? You're building all of your systems into using these guys. And then, like we also saw, if your bill's increasing by 25%, year over year, et cetera, how can you make that make sense? It is cheaper for you to have your own hardware and have people that manage that hardware, or do something like a distributed cloud, et cetera, than have all your eggs in one very expensive basket. So yeah, this is definitely something that I've seen come up quite a bit more in 2024, and I think we're going to see a lot of it in 2025, to be honest.